What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We got Stumpy 1, well this is Stumpy 2 and Stumpy 1 over there working on putting in a clutch on this it's like a 2000 Civic Si clone. The car is getting a budget turbo kit, so we're going to be working on well, they're going to be working on getting the clutch in the car, and then I lay out the turbo kit and explain how much it's going to cost, what this guy paid for this turbo kit for this car. Alright guys, so these guys are getting this thing knocked out. Just got to pull the axles out, and then they'll be pulling the transmission out here shortly. Got the shift linkage off. Stumpy's getting the drain pan, well Stumpy 1 is getting a drain pan for the transmission fluid, and then they're gonna be ready to come out, put the new clutch in. We're getting it done. Y'all gonna get this thing out or what? Bruh. It's been about 5 hours. Nigga, what? 5 hours later.
Can't say that.
Remember y'all said y'all was gonna take all day to do this?
I just woke up at 7 o'clock, 7:30.
Yeah.
It's like...
It's 9 o'clock now. It's 10 o'clock now, actually. It's getting 30 to you.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all gonna get this thing out or what?
Yeah. We only got like, what, bolt and drop it.
Come on, today's my day to supervise, so.
Supervise.
Yeah.
Is this my interview?
This is your interview.
My
This
interview?
is Jason's interview. Jason doesn't
Oh,
know
oh.
that, but Jason's interviewing for
Jason
a
ain't
job
going
right
back to
now.
Gastonia no more. Fuck the cake car.
This is gonna be her building LS's. The shit that he been talking shit about.
The 18 LS's and 5.3s.
It's 5.3s. 5.3s and LS's.
4 greats.
4 greats. Excuse me, sir.
We're back at it again recording?
Yeah, back at it again. Recording.
3/8/19.
3/8. Oh, we don't have one of those. Why don't you just use this 1/2 inch?
Sponsored by your local fuel.
You're gonna need a wrench, Bo. Okay, adjustables, they work. That's Ben's favorite tool.
What are you doing?
I'm recording.
Oh my god.
People want to see action, Bo. So that's
People want
That's a brand new 8 that you
yeah, that's GoPro 8. It's like using a
iPhone 11 compared to Stumpy's phone.
yeah, pretty much. That GoPro 5 I had was like an iPhone 2.
Y'all.
I didn't think you could even record video on that thing back
What?
in the day. An iPhone, like the first iPhone.
The 3G, the 3G,
Yeah.
the 3GS.
Take 3.
All right, round 2 of rookie hour. You got that rear bolt out. Your transmission definitely separated now.
Yeah.
So, how did you lose the 19 that fast?
What
This
happened?
is 17. It's
Oh,
it's literally right here. It's a 3/4.
I can't see. I'm legally blind.
You probably just took it off the impact.
Are you serious? With those binoculars?
Alright, you ready to go up?
All right. Should have took the mount off. But
What?
just go ahead. Go up with us some more. All right.
Alright, go up.
Go up?
Go up.
Yeah. He's got this eBay.
What we got over here?
You got an eBay. It's not even. It's like a full face clutch.
So what?
He said that. He said that it'll hold. So you take it out.
What we got? Oh boy.
I don't even think it's an XTD.
Stumpy Special XTD.
It's not even an XTD.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's.
Oh man.
OEM replacement?
Oh man.
I don't know what it is. And the flywheel's gotta get changed too.
Oh, we're gonna need a better impact battery for that, bud. She cute.
We'll be changing this again soon.
Yeah.
Part 2 coming in. Part 2 coming in.
We're gonna go ahead and slap that thing on in there.
We'll slap it out.
Chris, what you got for me? What's that? What's that? Oh, it's just a piece of foam. Is that Ben's?
Thank you.
Is this Ben's knee pad? Is this John's knee pad?
No, it came with a rear end.
Oh.
It has stick, I was just playing with it.
You have like a special spot where a little tank
flow points are and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Not this. I'm talking about the heavy flow.
Hey, man, I'm gonna drop the clutch in the camera.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you,
What is this?
I would use that.
You got,
That's an XT, Johnny. Yeah. I'd probably use that with the life. Yeah, you might want to call your mans. That's a 6-putt. I'd probably use a 6-putt between the whole before the whole test about the turbo hits. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it.
But the springs are.
Even that look good.
Something's rubbing against the springs.
Or was it just because the bolts were loose? The bolts is loose on the cut.
Alright guys, let the Honda Tech come in here. See, the issue
All right,
is...
here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
The issue is
Letter E.
these bolts are way too big for all this power. If we can get smaller bolts, it'll be less rotating weight, and you can get more RPMs.
Can we just take
Bo, the trans has no pilot bushing in it.
Yeah, you don't need it.
That's why.
You don't need it. Again, more weight, you don't need it. The way we set up, like the way I set up Wes's was to rev to 14,000 RPMs, so we just took all that shit out.
If you go from first
No,
to second.
if you go from third to first.
Yeah, if you go from second from third, third
first.
to second gives you more RPM. You
Oh,
go
yeah, it is
from first, you get more RPM, so you get more mile an hour.
Yeah, no,
that's how it
he was
works.
going. He was going for sure.
I would use that flywheel and that pressure plate and use that disc.
Yeah.
But I just want to say, since you guys are doing turbo stuff on Honda, heavy flow will never beat the Ranger. Never.
Never.
You trying to put another bet on that?
Roll.
That's a fictional
dig,
story. That's not
Oh, no,
factual.
we're rolling.
That's
because
roll, dig, drift. Don't matter. Never beat
Roll
it.
and dig and
Drift.
drift.
Don't matter. We can do J turns in the parking lot. Never beat it.
You
see that
got
shifter there?
aluminum sleds, so we can
You,
put the
you
rear
can't
tires
even
on.
find the next gear fast enough before it even comes around.
I did last night in my dream. I did last night.
Oh my god. Butt hurt, but anyway. Alright guys, this is why you let professionals do their jobs.
I'm a pro now.
Sure what? What?
This is rookie hour.
Anyway, you let people who know what they're doing do their job. So this thing's supposed to have a pilot bearing in it. Basically this bearing that I was trying to find in the package earlier in the clip. Where's the bearing at? This thing right here is supposed to go in here. So this is supposed to ensure that there's proper alignment of the clutch disc and that the transmission is properly aligned
What's that, Johnny?
with the input shaft. Well, the input shaft is properly aligned with the clutch disc and it's properly aligned within the pressure plate. So we're gonna go ahead and install this new one. It's a new flywheel, change the flywheel, and put his old disc in there because it's better disc than the one that he wants to put in there. And just change the pressure plate because the pressure plate's kind of beat up too from where the this thing wouldn't even would probably just hold stock power and maybe like a 75 shot, like, if that,
On a hot day.
on like a super hot day with no bottle pressure. Oh baby, transmission is in.
The man's mission.
Let's see, y'all did say y'all would get it done in 2 hours, so
Not bad.
I only got it done in 45 minutes, but
All right, bro.
it's just me. This is y'all too. Damn, Bo, you literally look like you changed the transmission.
What about me?
This man's got acid grease all over him. This is how you normally look.
Lord Farquaad.
All right, so these guys knocked this car out of the park. I got it done in a couple hours. Clutch is in. Pedal feels wonky as hell, but
eBay.
I guess that's what you get for getting eBay clutch, I guess.
Send it.
So
Send it.
we are gonna back this out, and well, before we back it out, I'm gonna explain the budget turbo kit. So we got this, so basically what we did is we got a Rev 9 manifold. We got a 5057 for it. I'm gonna go and get everything. I'm gonna lay it out and I'm explain everything to it.
But you hate couplers, bro. Come on now.
No, I didn't hate stuff. Especially blue stuff.
That's for the gate. This dude. Oh, I'm not.
The radio on the damn.
Can you stop dicking my man's turbo up with
What
your
you mean, bro?
dirty hands?
I'm
Anyway.
not really rubbing it, you know?
Alright, so we got a 5057 right here. Basically the same turbo I had in my white hatch back in the day, cast wheel turbo. Same company that makes this turbo is the one that we have on heavy flow right now. Same company that makes this turbo makes this manifold, so Rev 9. It's basically like a cold welded ram horn manifold. It'll be good for up to, I believe, like 500 horsepower. It shouldn't creep. It does have wastegate priority, and it is all ported and whatnot. I am gonna try to clean the manifold up so it looks better. We got a eBay blow-off valve, eBay wastegate, same wastegate that I have on heavy flow, same blow-off valve I have on heavy flow, same, everything's eBay. It's full eBay kit, but it's all pieced together with some sort of quality and fashion, I should say. So got a nice little intercooler right here. It was about, I can't remember how much it was. I mean, but he spent like 1,300 bucks on everything. So I mean, if you guys normally spend like $600 to $700 on those cheap eBay kits that come with those logs, or the they come with either a log manifold, or they come with that shiny ram horn that basically breaks the gate off like after like a couple miles or whatever. Sometimes they'll do it on their damn dyno. I've had it done after like a couple of pulls on the street.
T-bolt clamps.
It comes with the intercooler. Came with this piping kit's 2.5 inch. It came with all black couplers. It came with T-bolts. It's basically a direct fit, so I don't have to do a lot of fabrication on the car. I am going out the hood on this setup because that's what the customer wants. He wants a teardrop. We're going to convert the 4-bolt flange to a V-band. We're just going to weld the V-band to the back housing. Doing 1,000cc injectors, pump gas. The goal is to make a little bit under 300, which I feel like this motor should make it pretty easily. It's going to be tuned on a stock ECU, stock chip ECU, and I do have to get a map sensor for this setup also. But it has a Walbro 450 Intake that I put in there a long time ago, trying to figure out a fuel issue that the car had. So it already has some sort of a fuel setup on the car. But all in all, the kit's pretty. It's of some quality. I tried to make it look decent even though it is budget. I think he spent like $1,300 on the kit. That's what I quoted him on it. All pretty nice stuff. Should last him a while. And only issue that we're gonna have now is probably the clutch holding, which I forewarned him about that. So his motors normally make as much torque as they do power when they're turboed. We're just gonna see what it does. But thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and you guys have a nice day.